Okay, so this is going to be just a quick little video that shows some basics about how to make website changes, and we're using the Hair Profiles website here. So I'm logged in, and I've got the black bar up here. If you don't see that and you know you're logged in, just click refresh, and then this black bar will show up. Now, normally before we were using the Beaver Builder theme and plugin, we would always just go to Edit Page to change stuff on the page. But now, most of the time, we'll want to be using Page Builder instead. And once you use that on a page, then that's how you always change the contents of the page. You can still go to Edit Page to change some other things, like the template that it uses and stuff. So, but let's go to the home page here and show you a couple things. So if I use Page Builder, it hasn't been clicked on yet, so it's going to prompt me. Oh, it's locked. Okay, so it looks like Carrie's already using this. So let me just go back to, let's go to a different page. Let's go to Contact, and let's use Page Builder there. Okay, and then it's going to say, okay, do you want to use a template, since this is the first time I'm in Page Builder on this page. So if I said Content, and I'm on the Contact page, so we might want to use something like this. So there's kind of a pre-built template that we could use, and I'm going to close this because that's for adding more stuff. So see, it's already kind of built the page for us, and then we can go in and change the information just by clicking on it, like this and so on. And then in here, this is a map module where you can just put in, see if that comes up for Alexandria MN. See if it finds the directory listing. It should. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to say save. Also, the contact form, you know, we would want to put in the email address, the right email address. I'm just going to do this. This is just a quick review of what you can do with that. Now, you can also, there's a lot of different things you can do on each of the pages. Let's just say that we were on the home page here and we wanted to use like a home page template. We could choose from some of these, and then once stuff's in there, all of it can be changed. So we could just use that, and then you notice how it puts the whole thing in here. I'm just going to close this sidebar here. And then you have all this stuff, and then you can go in and change it all, and then you say done and publish changes. It's really easy to use. It works great. It's all fully mobile friendly and everything. You can go edge to edge with everything. Okay, now there's another thing here, this customize. This is for more site-wide changes. So the preset I'm using, I'm just using the classic. Usually once you set that, you don't change that. General settings, you got layout, background. Just go ahead a couple of these. This is for full width versus box. Usually we go full width. You can change the width. You can set a background for the content. Usually we don't do that anymore. We usually don't use a background anymore. You just leave it white. Accent color, this would be for links and stuff. Now this, notice how if we change this to like a red, see that button changed. Oop. Yeah, so it changed to that. Headings, these are for all the H1, H2 and so on. You can change the fonts and the sizes. There's a lot of different things you can do. Text, I've had set to Open Sans now at 20 point font size, but that can be changed. There's lots of fonts. The header, there's all kinds of stuff you can customize with this, with all these things. The content itself, you know, all of that with the blogs, the blog posts and so on. The footer, I usually will do like I would go to 2 columns here, and I would put the menu in 1 column on the bottom. But you could do a custom menu and just have text in both if you wanted to. Okay, and footer style. Let's go back here. There's widgets. There's code for JavaScript and stuff. settings. This is also changeable within the WordPress dashboard. You can put in your social links for Facebook page and so on. This is already set here. The home page is set up for the static page for the main page. Menus, you've got more menus, and then import and export. Okay, I'm going to save and publish and then get out of this because I made a couple little changes. I changed that to orange, but this can be changed. Let's see what else. With the page builder, there's so much you can do. Say you want to change the text here or just some little thing. You got to go into page builder, and then all you do is click on that and you can go in and change stuff. It's really easy. You can move things around, you know, like if I wanted to move this box over to here, I could do that. That's a little goofy on, yeah, well, it's still got the same row. I don't want to do that, so or if I wanted to remove one of these, I could just remove it and remove the column that it's in, and then these two get bigger. And then I could just say done and publish changes. And I can also back out of the changes if I want to. So there's all things that can be done, all kinds of things can be done with this. It's easy to use and it's very powerful. So I hope this quick little introduction helps, and let me know if you are interested in learning more. I could do another video on this here.